Ruth talks.
In your fanny pack, you need to carry chapstick, your inhaler if you have asthma. But if you don't have asthma, you don't need an inhaler, obviously. Also, I have another little bag for things like lipstick and in case your eyes need eye drops. These are actually prescription eye drops because I need prescription eye drops because my eyes get. Also, I have a USB drive, and that's really important to always carry a USB drive with you. You never know when you need to save something. I also have Sudafed because I'm a little stuffy today. Oh, right. I think I'm getting a text from our sound person. She'll be here any minute. She's on her way now. I keep my phone in my back pocket. Sometimes it ruins my pants, but it's fine. Also, when you're hiking, you always need a clementine. You know, you always see clementine pieces, but watch out. When you leave clementine pieces around, snakes are attracted to that, so watch out. Also, it's always good to carry a pen and some sort of paper. I usually have a notebook, but today I have paper because I'm making snake signs. Also, in my front pocket, I always got my keys. And hand sanitizer. This is all natural stuff. It's really good.
Ruth talks.